How to cancel an AliExpress order in 2025. Let's get started. Firstly, navigate to the website of AliExpress or also you can launch the app. Make sure you have already logged into the account. Now, you're gonna land to the home page. Here you're gonna find different option. Click on this profile option given at the top right. Now head over to the option Orders. Click on View All. Now here you're gonna find different tab. View All, To Pay, To Ship, Shipped and Processed. You can only cancel the orders that haven't been shipped yet. So you can navigate to the section to pay or to ship. Now from the list of the orders, select the one that you want to cancel, click on it. You're going to get the option cancel order. Click on that. Then you'll need to provide a valid reason why do you want to cancel your order. Then select your refund method. Once you complete all these processes, you'll be good to go. Your order will be cancelled. So that's the wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.